All right, today our holiday is going to be a little bit of review. We talked about Martin Luther King a couple months ago. Do you remember? He was one of our great leaders who helped fight for equality. Remember, equality is helping to ensure that everyone has the same rights. Do you remember when we learned about important women in our history last month? We put them all up on our door. There was also Rosa Parks. Remember, she was also in Martin Luther King's time, and she was the one who refused to move on the bus. This short informational text is again about Martin Luther King Jr. Remember, you had MLK Day off of school. That's for this important man. I'm going to again read 2 times. Listen the first time, and then follow along and see if you can read with me for the next one. I'm going to start at the top in the red. There's the title. A Day for Martin Luther King Jr. Now the words. We celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day in January to honor his important work. Dr. King dreamed of a day when all Americans would have equal rights. He gave speeches and led marches to make that happen. On this day, we remember Dr. King for his ideas and his courage. Again, read with me this time if you can do it. We'll start with the title and then move into the text. A Day for Martin Luther King Jr. We celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day in January to honor his important work. Dr. King dreamed of a day when all Americans would have equal rights. He gave speeches and led marches to make that happen. On this day, we remember Dr. King for his ideas and his courage. Good job reading. I hope you were able to follow along. Do you remember when we listened to Dr. Martin Luther King's speech in class? It was that black and white video that was very old, and you heard him saying over and over, "I have a dream." After that, we took our pictures in black and white and wrote down our dreams and how we are going to help the world. Do you remember doing that? I think they're still hanging up outside our classroom.